Recovered a PP5 file from old design archives and unsure what application created it? This is a Picture Publisher 5 image from Micrografx's photo editing software of the 1990s. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll explain how to open these Micrografx Picture Publisher image files. If you frequently deal with unusual PP5 file types, a universal file viewer is an essential tool. We'll cover exactly the one I use and recommend later in the walkthrough. A PP5 file is a raster image created by Micrografx Picture Publisher 5, a popular image editing application from the mid-1990s. Users typically find these files in old archives and need to open them to view or convert legacy photos and graphics into modern formats like JPG, PNG, or TIFF. The PP5 format is the proprietary binary file designed to store bitmap image data along with layers, masks, and other editing information specific to Picture Publisher. This layered structure allowed for non-destructive editing, a key feature for graphics software of its time, but makes it incompatible with standard image viewers. The tool most commonly used for creating PP5 files is Micrografx Picture Publisher 5 by Micrografx. Windows cannot validate changes to the file structure, demanding dedicated software for integrity. Windows provides only a lightweight viewer, so full editing belongs in photo editing programs. Your first move is to identify the possible decoders. Right-click the PP5 file and choose Open With. Use Micrografx Picture Publisher 5 if it is installed. If it's missing, select another program. Testing is the fastest diagnostic method. If your PP5 file still refuses to open, stay calm. The refusal of the file to open is likely not complex. It's one of the top 3 basic reasons. I'll give you a simple 3-point checklist of common causes and the immediate fix for each. First, opening in Picture Publisher. If you have access to Micrografx Picture Publisher 5, 7, or 10, or Coral Picture Publisher, install the application. Launch Picture Publisher and use File then Open to load the PP5 file. The application opens the image with all layers and editing data intact, ready for further editing or export. Next, converting via Corel Photo Paint. Corel acquired Micrografx and Picture Publisher technology was integrated into Corel products. Try opening PP5 files in Corel Photo Paint, which may include legacy import filters. Use File then Import or Open to attempt loading the file, then save as PNG, TIFF, or JPEG for modern compatibility. Finally, using XNView MP. XNView MP supports a wide range of image formats, including some legacy raster formats. Install XNView MP, launch the application, and try opening the PP5 file. If supported, XNView displays the image and provides batch conversion to standard formats like PNG, TIFF, or JPEG for use in current image workflows. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. This professional-grade approach allows the software to analyze the file autonomously, which can offer a significantly higher chance of success for stubborn or non-standard formats. When the manual methods didn't work on the file, we conclude the issue requires deep format inspection. I recommend turning to File Magic, your best bet for extracting content when all else fails. Get it at filemagic.com. Give the video a thumbs up if it helped, and subscribe for ongoing technical solutions.